Hi guys, today I will be unboxing and giving you a demo on this PowerGlow COB Worklight. So you can see here the features. So it has 5 lumens and high-low settings. So there will be 2 settings for this one. And another good thing is that this one includes the batteries inside. So that will be AA batteries. So you can see here and here at the back. Okay, same features stated at the front probably. Then you have a running 2 hours for high setting and 5 hours for low setting. So I'm not sure if this is true, but we can test it out. Okay, so we'll just open this one. Okay, with the bubble wrap inside. So here it is. Comes with the, as usual, the documentation or the manual for this, and here is the product. So looks a very sturdy body, and here's the back with the magnets, so you can attach it to like a metal housing when you're working. And also it has a stand. So this one is a ratcheting stand, so you can position anywhere like this. Different angles, you can see the angles. Okay, then open this one to show you the batteries. Okay, so it comes with the batteries, 4 AA's. So to start this one, you need to remove this plastic. So the cover is gone, the battery, and this should be the power on button. Try. Yeah, that is the high. So there's a blinking function. Then this is the high probably, and it's like a medium or low setting. I'll try with the lights off. Try again with the lights off. So that's blinking. That's the high. Then, oh sorry, the blinking, high, and medium. Okay, so that's it. So this is the COB Worklight from PowerGlow. Again, thank you for watching.